G'day. Welcome to Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope Monday was kind to you. Let's dive right in. We'll start with the calendar. Let's roll over to the calendar. So today we have no news. No news on Tuesday, so a day to be patient, wait for that ideal setup. A day that we just wait till 9:30 open for indices to look for position, 9 a.m. to look for position on commodities. And we just trade cautiously. We want to look for that opening time for some liquidity injection. We're not going to get anything from a news event today, so that's going to be our time for some volatility. So we'll be patient and wait for open and see what we can get. Let's jump over to the charts. Okay, here we are on the daily for NQ. So let's see what we've got. So yesterday we're looking at this level, and I said I quite like this level. That we had two daily points of interest, swing low plus back into daily busy. Price swept low into here, and the idea was that let's get rid of that. We wanted to look for prices to move higher. So we've got price sweeping external. We're moving from external to internal. So nothing changes here for me on NQ, moving from external to internal. Let's drop it to the hourly. Didn't want to get rid of those. Let's get rid of the drawings. Okay. So now we have a change in the state of delivery. And look at the reaction off that level there. Just wicked straight off it, pushed higher. So price respecting the change in the state of delivery. This is the first moment in time where we get a change in trend. Equal highs. We're looking for this area as a draw on liquidity. And if we look higher, we still have this low resistance liquidity. Up here is a target. Market our standard deviations in this leg that took liquidity. We've got that -2 level aligned with this low resistance liquidity. hourly breaker. Here's our stop hunt. And price pushed through this level with displacement. We've got FVG aligned with the breaker, and we're currently respecting the mean threshold of that breaker. I mean, that's perfect. So I'm liking the idea of prices to continue to move higher today. So bullish on the daily, bullish on the hourly. For NQ. All right, let's jump over to ES. I haven't cleared up my drawings from yesterday, so we might as well use them because the same idea applies. I'm not ignoring this level here, this internal liquidity. I'm not ignoring that, but we need to just pay attention to it, that it is there, and this could act as a potential resistance. What I'm looking at though is that we reached an internal level, and our next external level is up here. So looking for higher prices. We also have an SMT with NQ here. So that's a bullish SMT. And as pointed out yesterday, this was in a deep discount, this level, and we got a really nice reaction from that. It was a beautiful reaction. So again, I'm not disregarding this bearish FEG, okay, but I do anticipate prices to go higher with our internal to external relationship. Okay, so we'll just need to keep an eye on it. Just keep an eye on how price reacts to this level. Let's see if price has a willingness to disrespect this bearish FEG. So I'm going to remain bullish on ES on the daily. Clear that up and go to the hourly. There's a nice correlation between ES and NQ at the moment. The structure looks very similar. I like to see that. So here we have our change in the state of delivery. First moment in time that we get a change in trend, price respects this change in the state of delivery. Relative equal highs. NQ has equal highs, but relative equal highs or low resistance liquidity. Here on ES, same deal. If we run our standard deviations, where does that get us? Aligned with these, this LR through here, low resistance liquidity run. Okay, high resistance liquidity on our side of the curve, low resistance liquidity on the other side of price. Okay. Again, similar, we've got a bearish, a bullish breaker. We do have FVG aligned, so there is displacement there. We didn't get it closed through until this candle, and when we've retraced back, we've respected the mean threshold of this breaker, and price is pushing away nicely now. So we'll keep an eye on this and see if this level here will support price to go higher. So like and Q, bullish on the daily, bullish on the hourly. All right, let's jump to CL. So we had a bullish bias on CL yesterday. And you can see here, this is what we had marked up. We were at an internal level and a sweep of external. So I was anticipating price to push higher. We didn't get that. We actually disrespected this internal. But what we did do was move down to this one. So we'll clear this. Now, if we have a look at the dealing range here, where is this internal located? Are we still in premium actually? Let's have a look. So that is still in a premium. We do have internal down here at a discount, so we'll keep an eye on that. The most recent information we have though is that price has come down into this internal level and has had a reaction to that. So same idea applies here from yesterday. Although yesterday we did get it wrong, the idea is the same, internal to external. So I'm going to look for some bullish price action today on oil. We'll drop down to the hourly, see what the hourly is telling us. Still reasonably bearish. We still have price respecting bearish PDRAs. Price was unable to push through this bearish FVG on the hourly and has rejected from that level with quite a move. These look interesting to me though. All these equal highs here on the hourly. That looks pretty juicy. So that could be a nice draw if we do get a bullish move. This could be a first target area. So bullish on the daily. You know, we have got an area where it looks like we might get a potential reversal here. Now, see, it's similar how we had this move down, this nice move down here. Taking a fair bit of liquidity on the way here in this move. We swept this Tuesday the 18th low. So we'll just have to see if CL has a willingness to move higher here. or if it's just going to continue to move lower. Now with this move here, this could be potential for a bearish hourly continuation breaker. Come up, swept liquidity. Okay, so we'll be keeping an eye on this. So for now, I'll be remaining neutral on the market structure side for CL, because I do believe there is potential here for a reversal, but I'm not seeing all the signatures to confirm that just yet. So until we get some alignment in the idea, I wouldn't look for a position. All right, let's jump over to DXY. A pretty neutral day yesterday on DXY. We were looking for our move to continue internal. Didn't really do a lot yesterday, but the same idea still applies today. Most recent information is a sweep of this low. So external liquidity, looking for internal, and price is on its way there. So bullish on DXY. Drop into the hourly. So price respecting bullish PD arrays. Failure swings, it's not able to break lower here. See these two times here, it's tried to push lower, hasn't been able to. Again, respecting the bullish PD arrays. We run our projections. Oops, wrong one. So we've got our high here, aligned with -4. So we've got our close above -2. Price has been consolidating through here, but we might actually be getting this move to continue higher and fill that max extension. So bullish on the hourly for DXY as well. Gold. So we were, or had the idea of bullish yesterday. Price had come down into this internal. So I was looking for price to start to reach to external. We did get a reaction here, but price did continue to move a little bit lower, and it got bought back up. So we didn't get the move yesterday that I was anticipating, but it looks like we are getting that move now. So looking for price to move from internal to external. So bullish for gold. Let's drop to the hourly. So we've got a sweep of the lows here. All right. for a potential bullish breaker to form, and we might get that. We've got our displacement through the breaker. We need to see price close above the breaker here to confirm that. Looking for our change in the state of delivery. This would be with the displacement through here, so the first moment in time that we get a change. I would like to see this level closed above, being the level that took liquidity. But this is the first moment in time where we get a change in trend, displacement through this level as well. All right, so if we want to see where we might be able to project price, so think of this as high resistance liquidity down here. Low resistance liquidity. And all of this, really, there's a lot of liquidity to be had through here. And even project that through. All aligned with our -2 to 2.5. So I do like the idea of being bullish on gold today across the daily and our hourly structure. All right, we might even have a quick look at Euro, hey? Let's jump out to the daily. So Euro, I was having a look at earlier today. So moving from external to internal, this is now our bias complete. Okay, so now is not a time where I'd start looking for shorts. Bias is complete. I'd be patient now to see how price reacts to this internal. It's not that I'm going to automatically change my position and say, okay, now we're moving long again. But I want to see how price reacts at this level. So for me, bias was bearish. It's now complete. Patient and wait now to see how price reacts to this level, before automatically just going, okay, internal to external. All right, we want to be patient because price could disrespect this internal level and close lower. So we want to be patient with price here. So if you were looking for a target, we'd be looking at this sweep here to the low. And there's your max extension. We got our close below the -2.5. And it's aligned very well with the mean threshold of that daily internal level. So we'll see what price wants to do here. But I would say that's just about target complete as well on the hourly. So if I was trading euros today, then I would be neutral right now, and I would be waiting patiently to see how price reacts within this level here. All right, guys, I'm going to end the stream there, or the recording there. I hope you have a successful day trading. Just a reminder that I won't be doing my analysis tomorrow, as I'll be traveling for a funeral. I'll be back on Thursday, hopefully all going well. We can get back into it. So until Thursday, take care, trade safe. If you're looking at getting any evals, code Jimmy, My Funded Futures, code Jimmy Apex. Grab my book, like and sub. I really appreciate it, guys. Take care, and we'll see you Thursday. Bye for now.